Thank you. Now the floor is to Vivat International, to be followed by Zimbabwe.
Thank you, Chair. Excellencies, panelists, and colleagues, greetings. I am Maria Lourdes Santos, representing Vivat International and a member of the NGO Committee on Financing for Development, which is a substantive committee of the Conference of NGOs. I present this statement on behalf of both entities. The debt crisis in developing countries has worsened, endangering both people and the planet. More than half of African nations allocate more funds to debt servicing than to education and health. This exacerbates poverty, unemployment, and economic strain, prompting austerity measures that undermine social protection efforts. To address the root causes of this crisis, we need a comprehensive reform of the international financial architecture. Developing countries require more concessional financing and a fair, effective debt restructuring mechanism involving all creditors. To promote inclusive growth, we must incorporate the costs of achieving the SDGs and climate goals into debt sustainability assessments. We must also ensure that the voices of marginalized communities most impacted by austerity are heard and in political decision-making. Most urgently, we call on creditors to provide deeper, longer-term debt relief sufficient to address both the liquidity and looming solvency crisis faced by many nations. The debt crisis is a development crisis. We cannot achieve our shared goals of eradicating poverty and protecting the planet without genuine solutions that place human well-being over private profits. The time for action is now. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now I give the floor to Zimbabwe, who will be the last speaker for the morning session. Thank you very much.